What's going on, dudes? It's your boy Baith. I'm going to pick up some plastic glossifier for my rims. My hubcaps are starting to bend for some reason, so they're getting wobbly and it's looking like a piece of plastic that's on my rim instead of actually having rims, you know. So, you know, I'm just gonna ditch it. I'm gonna paint my Steelies gloss black instead of the matte black. I think that might give it, you know, a higher end look. We know that shit ain't high end. Those are shitty ass Steelies. But, you know, I can hope. Can of glossifier is like 10 bucks, and it might look nice. I also have to do some rewiring in my car for LEDs, and I have to clean it, like actually clean it. There's apparently a dick on my window. Somebody drew that on there at some point and I wasn't paying attention. So I'm gonna clean the glass, vacuum, wash the outside, clean all the salt off. Because we don't drive rust buckets in my family. We keep our cars clean. Park this sumbitch. I think that's good enough. It's so weird having a keyless like thing. I'm not used to it. But I'll see you guys when I get out of Walmart.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
Different attire, another day. So yesterday I let the glossifier dry under the rims, and overall I think it turned out pretty nice. I'll show you guys that in a second. Now I have to work on rewiring my LED strips I have in the interior, because the way I did it before was super ghetto, and now it's like double the amount of ghetto, because like a few LED bulbs out of all of them actually light up. So I have to rewire that so you guys can see that, and then I'm gonna clean the car and she'll be done.
My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah.
Number one problem with the Civic Coupe. There's no fucking room to do anything in here. Ugh. Holy fuck, that's a mess. So after now 2 packages of LED strips, the first one that I bought broke while I was trying to use it, so I had to return it. Found these clearance ones though at Walmart. That is a hell of a lot better than what I had before. They're just these flexible rubber strip things. Can't really see it, but yeah, they just jam up in there. You'll see it in the back over here. You see those white strips? Yep. finish this off, I just have to finish waxing my headlight. It's just scuffed up, so the wax helps fill in those gaps. Other than that, this turned out very nice. This car definitely needed a good cleaning. I noticed my classy dip starting to come off. Somebody also got me with a scratch all the way along my classy dip. But next time I want to shine my tires. Those look nasty. Those look brown. But that should wrap up this part of the video. Or this video, I'm not sure yet. But thanks for watching.